Hey everyone, it's Lane with Billion Seafood, guys. I'm back with another episode of Simple Seafood. Today we're making shrimp pasta with a Parmesan cream sauce to go with it. So we have our Parmesan cream sauce all done. How you make it is super simple, just a tablespoon of butter melted in a pan with about a clove of minced garlic. And then you're gonna melt that, let it sit for about 30 seconds. And then you're gonna add a tablespoon of flour, whisk that for about 2 minutes, 30 seconds until it's brown. You wanna keep an eye on it or else it'll get too brown and burn. And then you're gonna slowly incorporate a cup of milk and then 2 tablespoons of your shredded Parmesan, and then you get your Parmesan cream sauce. Okay, we have our pasta all cooked. We use linguini noodles, but you can also use spaghetti or whatever type of noodles you like. Now we're just gonna plate it, add our shrimp. We just sauteed our shrimp in some olive oil, and we're gonna top it with our Parmesan cream sauce, and then put a little parsley on top. Here's the finished product of our shrimp pasta with our Parmesan cream sauce.